Imagine your own vehicle. For most people, we get an oil change every few thousand miles, take it to a mechanic for maintenance or repairs, and maybe even replace it after a few years. Now, think about every vehicle that's needed to make the city function. Fire engines, solid waste trucks, police cars, and so much more. That's a lot of vehicles to maintain and repair. The City of Waco's Fleet Services oversees more than 1,400 vehicles and motorized pieces of equipment. Their department is located near the City of Waco's Operations Center on North 4th Street. And it's not just cars and trucks. Golf carts, gators, lawnmowers, and even leaf blowers fall under Fleet Services' umbrella of responsibility. If it has a motor in it or moves on wheels, Fleet Services is there to take care of it. Fleet Services is one of a select few auto service repair facilities in the Central Texas area to receive the Blue Seal certification for auto service excellence. This means that at least 75% of repair technicians are certified in their area of expertise and are tested for recertification annually. Fleet Services performs routine maintenance, such as oil changes, tire repairs, and vehicle inspections, as well as general repairs on brakes, air conditioning, and steering, in addition to manufacturer-recommended scheduled maintenance. They process more than 500 repair work orders per month. Fleet Services prioritizes vehicles that engage in public safety and health, such as police and fire vehicles and solid waste equipment. In fact, each of these vehicles logs such heavy mileage that they require routine servicing nearly once a month. The department also provides mobile services for vehicles and equipment in the field, in addition to fuel service, roadside repairs, and generator service for the Waco Metropolitan Area Regional Sewage System, Cameron Park Zoo, Waco Convention Center, fire stations, police station, and Waco Regional Airport. One of Fleet Services' special functions is collaborating with the City of Waco's Information Technology Department to install computers, radio, video, and radar systems in police vehicles. Fleet Services also maintains and operates the city's fuel station, which contains the gas, diesel, and other necessary machine fluids for city vehicles. The city annually consumes more than 400,000 gallons of unleaded fuel and 500,000 gallons of diesel fuel. The City of Waco is also taking a step toward reducing our carbon footprint by introducing all-electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles into the fleet system. Fleet Services also prepares monthly reports to the city's budget office to track fuel consumption and costs. Finally, Fleet Services keeps an inventory of city equipment and prioritizes which vehicles are ready to be replaced based on their age and condition. The department oversees the city's quarterly online auction where retired surplus vehicles are sold. This returns about $400,000 a year to the City of Waco's general fund. Without Fleet Services, local emergency responders wouldn't be able to do their job efficiently, your trash wouldn't get picked up on time, your streets wouldn't get fixed, and our parks wouldn't get cleaned. So, whenever you see a city vehicle, whether it's a police cruiser, fire engine, or a crew patching a pothole, think of your own vehicle's maintenance and know that the Fleet Services team is working diligently to maintain every city vehicle so that the City of Waco can continue to provide a clean and safe community.